Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go and hang out with Poppy and we're gonna watch him do a chainsaw carving. Now he had a tree in his front yard that got cut down, so we're gonna follow it from limb coming down to finished product. Stick around because at the end then we're gonna take the finished chainsaw carving and I'm gonna send it off to a good friend of mine.
That was pretty slick.
All right, guys, well, thanks for watching that. I hope you enjoyed it. Poppy's really been getting pretty serious about his chainsaw carvings these days. He just started an Instagram account, so if you guys want to follow along his progress, or even if you guys want to submit an order, check the description down below. I'll leave a link to his Instagram account. Okay, well, I'm going to send the Birdhouse off to a good friend who I think is going to appreciate it. 4 clues. Let's see if you guess where it's going to go. He lives in Arizona, has a gnome village, and he's shown a couple of birdhouses that he's made himself, so I think he'll appreciate it. Anyway, I'll leave a link to his channel down below if you can't guess who it is, and if he does a mail call video and shows it, I'll post a link to that video as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Go check out Poppy on Instagram, and we'll catch you on the next one.